ALLMAX Nutrition, AllFlex, all-in-one joint formula, 60 capsules. Product overview description. Professional grade supplements, science, innovation, quality, results. Reduce inflammation, relieve pain, restore mobility. 3x more effective. Athlete's Choice Dietary Supplement, clean label, cGMP registered, facility lab tested, every lot patented. UC2. Athlete's joints take a pounding. Fight back. 3x more effective. Clinically shown to be 348% as effective as a combination of 1,500 mg of glucosamine and 1,200 mg of chondroitin. The AllFlex registered delivery system starts with a rapid-release microthin capsule that delivers results quickly and has a sustained-release formulation that continues to work over a 12-hour period. Suggested use: take 2 capsules once daily following the first meal of the day. Other ingredients: gelatin, magnesium stearate, microcrystalline cellulose, titanium dioxide, fd&c yellow number 5, fd&c blue number 1, fd&c red number 3. Allergen warning: produced in a facility that also handles milk, soy, wheat, egg, peanuts, train nuts, fish and shellfish products. Warnings: do not take if pregnant or lactating. Do not take if currently taking any prescription medication or receiving medical treatment without first consulting your physician. Not for use by individuals under the age of 18 years. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. Prop 65. California warning: lead is known to the state of California to cause birth defects or reproductive harm. Consuming this product can expose you to more than 0.0000005 grams of lead. Disclaimer: while ALLMAX strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by ALLMAX.